Hey everyone, Shelly Panzarella, and this is your mortgage moment. Today's mortgage moment is on renovation loans. So we actually have a couple options for our clients, whether they're looking to purchase or refinance. They can actually renovate their homes. They can upgrade their countertops, upgrade their kitchens, upgrade their appliances, upgrade their granite or flooring and paint, all that good stuff. So if you have a client who's actually looking at a home and perhaps they don't feel that it's the home of their dreams, but they think a home has great bones, the FHA 203K or the conventional home style loan would be a great option for them with respect to renovating and getting that home to become the home of their dreams. If you have clients today that are currently in a home and they want to upgrade their home, maybe they've gotten tired in the last year of looking at the same kitchen, or maybe they want to fully renovate the whole home, they can actually take advantage of an FHA 203K refinance as well as that renovation, Fannie Mae renovation loan for a refinance standpoint. So if you have any questions at all about renovation loans or any other type of financing, please feel free to reach out to one of your Prosperity Lending loan officers and make it a productive week.